Good morning, everybody. I guess I'm vlogging today because now I feel like it. Cool. So I'm like super unmotivated today. I am still in pajamas, but I'm comfortable, so that's good. Yeah, I just hopped out of the shower a little bit ago and I need to clean our apartment. Obviously, always, like, cleaning is just a constant thing that has to be done. I have to do laundry, but I'm just feeling unmotivated today, and I feel like if I put it in a vlog, I'll force myself to do it, I guess. So I'm gonna do stuff today and not be unmotivated. Of course, breakfast has to start with a kitten mug and a kitten. Good morning. How are you? She doesn't care. She's tired.
Everywhere I go, in these busy streets, I'm a criminal. Every day and night, moving slow-mo with the fast life. I'm on the edge of a skyscraper.
I also feel like this might not be my look, like this messy bun thing. Probably not for me, but we're gonna do it for today because my hair is soaking wet. I also think I'm going to try to clean every single room in the house today, which is kind of a big feat, but kind of not, kind of is, but I mean like deep clean. Mostly like organizing and stuff, getting rid of stuff we don't need. I never thought I held on to stuff till I moved here, and now I realize that I hold on to a lot. So I'm gonna go through some stuff. We have stuff under the bed because that's like, we don't have much storage in this apartment. But like, we also have nightstands and stuff, and just, I don't want so much stuff. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff in this drawer.
Counting the stars like city lights. I don't know where I'll end up later.
These are literally all my failed prints of Disney planning trips. So the video where I make my maps, which I don't think is up anymore because we didn't end up going to Disney. But when we do end up going back, or when we go to Disney, that video will be up. But I can't believe I kept all these failed printed plans. I think I'm gonna keep a copy of each just to tweak them online, but I'm not gonna keep all of them because this is ridiculous.
Moving slow-mo with the fast life. I'm a criminal.
I am also right now going to throw a load of laundry that's in the washer and the dryer so it's dry, so I can actually fold it because I'm sitting here not doing laundry, so I should obviously do the laundry. And this is all wedding stuff that needs a home. I need to find a place to put it because it cannot stay there. Can't do it. Okay, if you can hear it, dryer's now going and there's a new load in the wash. That's all set. Glad I got that taken care of. This looks strange. So I decided what I'm gonna do is I grabbed one of my big reusable bags, and I'm gonna take anything in these drawers that is not supposed to be in these drawers and put it in this bag and then deal with it, because I don't want to get sidetracked carrying things room to room and then cleaning 4 rooms at once. So we're starting here. My hair is more messy and drooping. Does this mean progress? I don't know. So I went through basically everything that was under the bed, which was a lot. This is all I have left. Great. And then a pile of trash. Great. That took me like an hour. Holy crap. I didn't think it would take me that long, but I gotta finish this up because then that's 1 room down. I also want to explain all this crap before we get to it. So we are going on a trip soon that you'll find out about. I might make a packing video for it. I don't know, but packing list, stuff that's packed. Of course, we're leaving in 6 days, but I have to pack like 3 months in advance. So that is packing stuff. That probably will not be moving. Okay, guys, welcome to the closet. So I 99.99999% finished the bedroom. I just have to organize a bunch of stuff that I'm gonna do when I don't have the energy to actually like be cleaning and organize. And the lighting is awful in here, so we're gonna go in here. So I need to clean up all these hangers. Does anyone else hate when the hangers do that? It's really annoying, but like, I shouldn't pull the clothes off like that if I don't want the hangers to do that. So I have a return I just bought a bunch of new stuff for my new job, which is all right here, so I need to organize that in, and I'm gonna take care of that now and just clean up this room a little.
Blood on my hands fighting my demons. It's a war zone inside this jungle. Yeah. Trouble follows everywhere I'm moving. Call me a savage. Call me a savage. I'm running, I'm running, I'm running, I'm running. I'm running, I'm running, I'm running from myself. Everywhere I go, in these busy streets, I'm a criminal. Every day and night, moving slow-mo in the fast lane. Everywhere I go, in these busy streets, I'm a criminal.
Okay, everybody, long time no vlog. If you can hear noise in the background, which you probably can hear, that's the dryer going. But I am right now packing for us to go on a little trip. I'm gonna show a little bit of it in the vlog, not much of it, just because it's something I'm doing today. But if you want to see the actual video, that will be linked in the down bar once it's posted, which will be a couple days. And I've already been vlogging this week. So basically I am just packing up all of our stuff and doing laundry, of course. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing right now. Okay guys, I'm gonna spend a little time working on where can I do this? I can show you the Tennessee page. I'm gonna work on my planner, and I have my new work schedule. And so I'm gonna start working on dinners and stuff and pre-planning, because I find that's the easiest way to keep everything in check. Oh, and I wanted to show you this. So if you guys didn't know, I am starting a new job soon. I'll just open that real quick. But they sent me a card and everyone signed it, and it's so cute, and I'm just so excited to work for a company that has like such great values, and I'm just super excited to learn something new. But I thought that was so sweet that they sent a card with my schedule in it. I really loved that. So I'm gonna start with today, and then move along from there. Even though I already have meals planned, I don't have them written in my planner because I haven't used my planner in a while, just because for my old job, I didn't really need it, kind of. They gave me a planner at work, never used that one either though. So I am going to start planning in this. I do already have our setup of what we're eating this week, so that I'm just gonna copy down and then move from there. Okay guys, so I did some of the planning, haven't finished it yet, but we are gonna try this blue Mountain Dew. It's the Frostbite, and apparently it's supposed to taste like cantaloupe, I think. Upon smelling it, just smells like Mountain Dew. It tastes like Mountain Dew. Yeah, it just tastes like Mountain Dew. It doesn't taste anything special. Kind of cantaloupe, maybe? Melony? I don't know.